Hi, welcome to Divine Breath Yoga. I'm Candace, your yoga tour guide. I'm here to offer you some suggestions on how to use your breath and your body as prayer. Your body will give you feedback on what it needs, what it doesn't need. So listen to that ouch sensation. That's what we want to avoid. So move your body in ways that feel like they're strengthening or stretching, but without that ouch. If you know there is a sticky spot, use your exhale, that breath out, to see if the muscles relax into the movement. And if they don't, that's okay. Move your body in a way that does bring it rest and restoration, and listen to those cues for the next movement and test that out. Gentle kindness, mindful movements are the key to a sustainable yoga practice, one that gives your body time to rest. Your body and mind time to relax. Your mind and your soul time to heal. So together, let's restore our bodies, minds, and souls and become stronger together. Peace be with you, my friends.